The boning knife, also known as a fillet knife sometimes, very essential if you're going to be cutting any kinds of raw protein at home. What makes this knife unique is the very thin blade and also the way it tapers into a little point. This is a full tang knife, and you definitely want to do the pinch grip here because what you're trying to do is get in and do a lot of detail work. I'm going to show you how to separate a chicken into pieces using a boning knife. So I'm going to start by cutting the skin in between the leg and the thigh. So I'm just going to let the knife do all the work. Once I expose the thigh, I'm going to put pressure from the backside and in, and once I see that bone, the thin blade of the boning knife allows me to carve. See how I'm kind of turning and finding the contours of the chicken? Boom, there's one piece right there. So let's do the other part. Grab the skin between the thigh, separate that skin. I'm actually taking a hit and putting pressure the opposite way to pop out the thigh bone and just cut. Two pieces there, all right? Now, so there's two wings. Find that midpoint of that articulation, and that's your joint. Find that other wing, get right into that armpit area. You always want to think about chicken armpits, don't you? And you're good. So I can see the two lobes of the breast. I'm gonna make my first cut in between the two lobes, and I'm actually cutting right onto the breastbone. And there's gonna be two sides to this breast. So the very fine point of this boning knife is gonna be the perfect tool to get in and hug the contours of the chicken to get one breast, and then I'll pull the other breast here. And again, if I want to separate the thigh and the leg, remember your articulating joint. And I have cut my chicken into perfect pieces.
And there you have it, why I love this boning knife so much. For more information, click the link in bio. Please like, subscribe, give us some feedback in comments, and we'll see you next time.